Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two of the most talked about dashcams in the market: the WOLFBOX G840S and the OVAMAN K600. Both of these devices promise to enhance your driving experience with their advanced features. But which one truly stands out? In this video, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The WOLFBOX G840S features a large 12-inch LCD display, providing a comprehensive view that reduces blind spots and enhances usability. In contrast, the OVAMAN K600 comes with a compact 3.59-inch IPS screen, which, while easy to manage, may limit visibility when reviewing footage. The larger screen of the WOLFBOX is particularly beneficial for those who prefer a more extensive visual interface while driving. When it comes to Wi-Fi connectivity, the WOLFBOX G840S utilizes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for stable connections, while the OVAMAN K600 boasts 5G Wi-Fi, promising faster data transfer rates. This difference can impact how quickly you can access and share your recorded footage, making the OVAMAN potentially more appealing for tech-savvy users who prioritize speed. In terms of storage, the WOLFBOX G840S comes with a 32 GB SD card, while the OVAMAN K600 includes a more generous 64 GB card. This means that the OVAMAN can store more footage before needing to overwrite older files, providing an advantage for users who want to capture longer trips without worrying about running out of space. In conclusion, both the WOLFBOX G840S and OVAMAN K600 offer impressive features suited for different types of users. The WOLFBOX excels with its larger display and advanced night vision, making it ideal for those who prioritize visibility and ease of use. On the other hand, the OVAMAN K600 stands out with its compact design and superior storage capacity, catering to budget-conscious consumers looking for great value. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews.